contemplating, it's relating, bodies unshaden. Falling and falling slow, falling and falling slow, falling.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I wash my braids. This is going to be my first time washing my braids. Usually I don't wash my braids. I'm mostly going to focus on my scalp. I got 3 new products that I bought from Target, and they're all made by Shea Moisture. The first thing I'm going to use is this bamboo charcoal pre-shampoo. It's a scalp scrub, and it has tea tree oil and willow bark extract, and it also has African black soap, so it's from the African black soap collection, and there it is. The second thing I will be using after that is this Power Greens hair tea wash. It has moringa, avocado, kale, matcha, and green algae, and it's to nourish and soften your hair. It's a hair tea rinse, like I said earlier. Actually, the Power Greens line collection, I think it's the newest one with Shea Moisture, if I'm not mistaken. The newest one. And the last thing I will be using today is going to be the cannabis seed oil lush light leave-in. It has ginseng root and horsetail extract. So I'm going to use this as my leave-in, and as you see, it's a spray leave-in. I think that would be way better with my braids instead of using like a cream or something like that. So it's going to be my first time using all 3 of these products. I've never used them before. So I am going to get started. Okay, so with the scrub, it says that I have to wet my hair first. So I am going to look for my water bottle. Let me see, can I find it? Hold on. Here. Okay, found it. So I am going to wet my scalp. Okay, so it has this little brush on it. That's pretty cool. Let me take this off. Squeeze this some. As you can see, and you're gonna scrub your scalp. Oh, this is so relaxing. Try not to use too much. Let me get my edges first. Oh, hold on. Gotta get too happy with the product. It's a pretty decent smell. My hair are pretty comfortable. The only thing I don't like about it is when you squeeze it, it's just in that one central location and it doesn't spread out. It doesn't spread out much. See, it just comes up in the middle. I would like for it to flow out everywhere, so it'll be like evenly distributed. But what I'm going to do is now get ready to get in the shower, and I am going to rinse this out, and I will be right back to apply the Another thing, once you're done using the scrub, you're supposed to let it sit for 5 minutes. And I see why, because now that I put it down, put it up, and I'm just sitting here just chilling, I feel it penetrating into my scalp, and it feels amazing. It feels great. So if you want something to detox your scalp that's gentle, this is pretty good, because I'm feeling it working. But when I was applying it, I didn't feel like I was ripping my scalp apart. So yes, got it from Target, go get you some. Okay, so my 5 minutes are up, and it's time for me to wash it out. Okay, so I rinsed all of that out, and my scalp feels nice and refreshed. But I will say, I wish I would have split my hair into like 6 parts maybe, and applied the scrub that way. I think I would have got every inch of my hair more. But I think for the most part I did pretty good. Like I said, my scalp feels great. Now, on to my next step. I'm about to use the Moringa and Avocado with kale, matcha, and green algae, power greens, hair tea rinse. Let's see. I don't know what I was about to say. I don't have to rinse it. It just says massage into a low lather and do not rinse. The main reason I did want to get it is because it had a very low lather. You know what I'm saying. But yes, and I wanted something that would be light, quick, easy. I didn't want to do a full wash day routine with these braids. I just didn't have time. So I'm about to apply. Okay, here we go. Don't rinse. I feel like I have to rinse this. Not rinse. Okay. Okay. Oh, I see why. Y'all, it really is cleaning my scalp. I'm just gonna apply it. See how clean my scalp looks? Y'all, listen. Yeah, love it. Do it on this side. Oops. Okay. We'll make a letter, in other words. My scalp looks so clean. Feels clean. I'm gonna apply just a little more, especially in the middle. I have all these people, so it's gonna be a while before I take my braids down. I work too hard. I ain't gonna take them down, so it's gonna be a while. Oh yeah, my scalp is so clean. Okay. Overall, my opinion on this, I like it. I mainly like it because I don't have to rinse it. That's like the easiest wash day ever. So, but I will only suggest using this if your hair is not too dirty. Like if you, like earlier, I did the little detox to my scalp, so that helped loosen up a lot of residue, whatever that was on my scalp, and backed it up with this. It worked pretty good. But the directions say you can use the shampoo and then use this, but I really don't see the point of using a shampoo to clean your scalp and then turn around and using this. This works well just as a standalone product. So I'm about to let this sit for a minute, and I'm gonna come right back, and my braid braids didn't get too frizzy, so that's good. Okay. And another thing I forgot to buy some more mousse. So if y'all wash your box braids, make sure you get you some mousse to put on afterwards. I'll get some tomorrow. So yeah, like I was saying, I'll be right back. I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. Then I'm gonna come back and talk a little bit about this leave-in. So yeah. That I have is the cannabis seed oil, lush light leave-in. So it's a light leave-in. It's not too heavy. It's just right. And it has ginseng root and horsetail extract. So, and it does not contain CBD oil or THC. That's good to know. So the cannabis seed oil is good for having omegas, and it has a lot of vitamin E. The ginseng root is known for its revitalizing properties. Everybody needs some revitalization sometimes. And the horsetail extract is for its mineral content. I wonder, is the horsetail extract the same thing that's in mane and tail? I have to look that up. So, let's see. It smells kind of like citrus to me. It has a citrus smell, but you can definitely tell that it has ginseng in it. That's probably what it is, all that ginseng. Either way, it smells good. So, let me just look at my scalp. And let me split my hair down the middle so I can see. There's no part in the middle, but y'all, my scalp's so clean. Like, oh my goodness. And make sure you shake it before using it. I don't know if I shook it or not. My hair feels so refreshed. So thanks for watching my video. Right now I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, and I'm just gonna blow dry a little bit, mostly the ends, because they're like dripping wet and it's so irritating. And right now my hair is all wobbly because my braids are wet and heavy. So thanks for watching my video. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, comment. Tap that notification bell so you know every time your girl, the Curl Maverick, uploads a new video. It's been rough lately because I can't go get my brows done. I bet my brow lady misses me. She like, I wonder what she is, how she doing, how her brows looking. She probably concerned. I bet she's concerned about me. But like I was saying, thanks for watching my video. I'm glad y'all stopped by. Hope y'all got some great information, and now you know something new. Okay, like I said, now you know something new. A new, easy way to wash your hair while you have box braids. So that's a good skill to have, especially if you don't want to go through a whole wash day routine. That's stressful. So thanks for stopping by, like I said earlier. And you can buy all these products at Target. So check them out. And if you try them, please drop it down in the comments and let me know how it goes. Thanks.